1708. One bedroom suite, ma'am, no? 64 square meters. So you have your dining area and your automatic washer and dryer. Yes, you're more spoiled. And a very big ref and a freezer. Wow. And okay, you have here also oven and a 2-burner cooktop.
Yes.
Okay, countertop and unlimited fresh water, filtered water.
And storage for the dining area, the living room, same size of the
55 is, yeah, 55 55-inch LED TV. And the view, lagi kong hindi kinakalimutan ang view, ma'am. Wow, kita-kita yung swimming pool doon. Anong building ito, ma'am?
right across po.
Yung Dasyang.
Po, yes po. And then yung
Yan yung Dasyang.
po, ma'am.
Dasyang.
Yung po may pool po.
Oo, dano. 5-star residence yan, no, ma'am?
Yes po, Miss Mia.
For the rich and famous. For the rich and famous. Ayan, king size bed.
Bathtub, C64.
Walang bathtub. Pero yung 41 square meter may bathtub.
Meron po.
Another TV here and your study table here. Couch. And tingnan po natin yung mga provision sa closet.
With iron board, bathrooms po.
Tsaka safety deposit box. Yan. And just a huge, really huge shower head. Rain shower. And there's no more bathtub. No more bathtub. Ay, sorry, ma'am. Ay, ang kulit. Very huge. Tapos na po. Okay na. May dalawang exit. May exit. Para pag may visitor, no need to like go inside. Pwedeng diretso na dito na. Ang ganda. Yeah. Sige po. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Next.